Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are all safe. So there is an exciting announcement to all of you that there is a test series for CA final indirect taxes November 21 exam. So this test series is specially designed for you, and last attempt I have just started it as a pilot project with self-evaluation, but based on the feedback from many of my students, so now I am coming out with evaluated answer sheets that will be provided for this test series. Indirect tax is a scoring subject and you need to complete it as soon as possible so that you can spend the time for other subjects. So this test series will be starting from July 4th, the first test, and the test like modus operandi, when which test will be conducted and how this is conducted, etc. we are going to see in this video. And if you want to enroll for this particular test, you can visit to my website tharunraj.com, and there I have just added a new learning portal. You please go into the learning portal, and in this learning portal you can create the username and password. Suppose if you are already using my app, Tharun's Brainery app, already you can use the same login credentials. If you are not using my app, Tharun's Brainery app, then you create the new username and password. And once you scroll down below, you can see here the test series target exemption in indirect tax for CA final November 21 exam. So this test series, you can see here I gave a detailed schedule below about this test series. So this is the test schedule, and totally I have divided the entire subject of indirect tax into 9 tests. So each test is of 35 marks, and you can see here this is the test schedule which is available. And this test schedule as I already told you that in total there are 9 tests. So series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the entire chapters are divided into these 9 tests starting from July 4th till 4th of September. And those students who wanted to prepare in a systematic manner can take up these tests, and so that you will know for that particular week what is that you need to prepare. I have designed it in such a way that maybe if you are going for articleship or if you are preparing for other subjects, so therefore you don't have to worry about like only indirect tax should I prepare, not necessarily. So these series 1, series 2, etc. chapter wise tests will be conducted on Saturdays, Sundays. The entire test series are designed in such a way that it will be conducted only on Saturdays or Sundays. So it will not be on weekdays. So therefore you can go for your classes or articleship or etc. whatever you want to do, you do. But only thing, you prepare it in a systematic manner so that you can take up this test. And I have given the schedule also as to when the test will be and what is the topics and timings and the chapter, in the sense study material reference. Suppose if you have already attended my classes, so resource book reference is also given. So if you have attended my class already, I would have provided you the resource book. So for the last batch it was 3 volumes, and this batch I have just converted it into 2 volumes, and you can just go through that resource book topics or the chapter ICI study material. If you are following, you can do that. And what is that you need to do? So once you enroll for the test, this is the schedule, and totally there are 9 chapter wise tests and 3 graded tests. So the first 3 tests cumulative is made as 1 graded test, and again next 3 tests cumulative is made as another graded test. Like that, by 5th September we are going to complete. So July, August, 2 months we are going to complete. And then there are 2 mock tests, 100 marks test I am conducting on September 12th and September 19th. So these 2 tests is for 100 marks. So now you decide. If you want to write all the tests also, you can write all the tests, and whatever answers that you are submitting, it will be evaluated and it will be given to you. And if you are writing the selected test, that also you can, but Even if you want to write mock test also, so you can write separately the mock test. So anything is fine. But I will recommend you to take up this test series and write all the tests so that it will be like a revision for you for November 21 exam. And because many students score somewhere 50s and 60s in indirect taxes, even though they know the subject well and even though they have prepared well, it's mainly because of the writing practice that you will be missing. So you will think that whatever you have presented is correct, but the fact is that in exam what happens, so whatever you have written may not be properly like given marks because the expectations are different. So therefore I personally wanted to see the way you are presenting the answers and would like to do the correction. But here correction involves a cost because I am not only doing the correction, I have a team. I have gathered a team of people and that team is going to do the evaluation, of course, under my review. And this test series is chargeable at 999. So less than 1000 rupees. So 999 is the price for this test series. You can enroll for this. How to enroll? Either through app you can enroll. Or you can go to my website and go to learning portal. In that you can see this target exemption in CA final IDT. So you can click on this buy now so that you can proceed to the purchase. Okay. There is an element of effort that is involved. That's why I am charging. And if you see others, like whatever the competition that is there, a lot of test series are being given and which are available at 4,000, 5,000, 7,000 and all. But that's too much. I don't want to charge that much amount. So this will be very less only. So 999 rupees, and after every lecture, the video discussion also will be provided. And in that video discussion, if you have any queries also, that will be taken up. So it will be through a live interaction and the details will also be made available once you enroll into the test. Okay. So please do recommend this test series to your friends and I will be waiting to serve you all. Thank you. So some frequently asked questions related to this test series. Sir, I want to take up only the mock test. Yes, separately you pay only for the mock test. You don't have to take this test series. So that 2 mock tests will be in the month of September 12th and September 19th. Only those 2 mock tests also you can take. How to submit the answer sheets? You need to take a white paper, a ruled paper, just like how you write the answers in main exam, like that you need to write the answers, and take a screenshot of that and upload it into the app or in the browser so that we will be receiving that information. Either you can upload it as a PDF or you can upload it as an image file. So use the cam scanner or office lens, etc., convert it into PDF and upload. So that will be evaluated and it will be returned to you along with the remarks. Then, so what is the frequency within which we can expect the result? So as the test is going to be for every weekend, so by the time of commencement of the next weekend test, it will be provided to you. Hardly once the test happens, say Sunday the test is happening. So mostly by Thursday, the answers will be provided. Wednesday or Thursday, we are trying to provide it as soon as possible. Mostly by Wednesday, Thursday, it will be provided to you. And then when the test discussion will be, so that particular week, whatever the test that is conducted Sunday, so in that week, one scheduled date, it will be communicated well in advance. So I will be doing the test discussion related to that, and even recorded is also available for you to watch later on. Then is this required for me? So I am well versed with the subject. When you are well versed with the subject, then this test series is not required for you. You just take the mock test which is going to happen in the month of September. That is sufficient. Just like 1 month before the exam, there is a mock test that you can take. And what will be the price if I want to write only the mock test? If you want to write only the mock test, it will be each mock test is of 150 rupees. So 2 mock tests, 300 rupees only. And you can write that mock test. Sir, why are you charging it? All of a sudden you are charging. See, I am not charging because I have to pay to people who do the evaluation. I don't have bonded labor called as article students to do the correction. So I have to pay to the professionals who are CA qualified to do the evaluation. So for that reason, because the CA qualified will not do the charity. If I am doing charity, it is with me. Why I need to ask everyone to do the charity? For that reason only. Sir, isn't it high that you are charging? No, not at all. Please do the comparison and then decide. Then, sir, what if we are not taking this test series? Even if you are not taking this test series, you are going to qualify CA. So there is no doubt about this. This is only to get a practice, because some of the students will be lacking confidence as to how to present it, etc. So this test series will give them the confidence. Okay, sir. If I prepare for this test series, what is that, target I can keep? So how much you can assure? I can definitely assure you 60 to 70 marks easily. And if your performance is good and if you are improving from one test to another test, definitely you can reach it up to 80 marks. It's possible. And what is the source from where these questions are taken from? Is it RTP, MTP questions? Not exactly RTP, MTP and past exam questions. So majorly it will be the questions coined by me. And even if it is an RTP, MTP question, definitely there will be some adjustments to it. Okay, so don't think that it is the same old RTP, MTP questions that will be taken. Never. I'll ensure that these are all new questions, and each and every question will be really testing your knowledge. What is the level of difficulty that we can expect? For chapter wise test, the level of difficulty will be medium, whereas for the graded test, the level of difficulty will be hard, and for the mock test, the level of difficulty will be difficult. Yes. So it will be hard only. So I'm not giving a easy set of question papers, because I believe in when going gets tough, tough gets going. Okay. So apart from this, any other details that you have, any other details that you need, you can contact us, or you can just post your query in the comment section and our team will revert to you. And in the description, you can find the links related to the test schedule, as well as, the link related to the enrollment, app details, everything. So thank you all, and wishing you all the very best for the upcoming November 21 exam. Take care.